Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. As you know, so we are making the videos for the Tusif. He granted his refugee status. His asylum was passed 10 days ago. So we try to make his document. So far we done his provision license. If you want to watch my all video about Tusif, so we're gonna do his provision license. We're gonna apply his universal credit. We're gonna apply his um jobs as well, bank account as well, Uber account, Deliveroo, Just Eat. So I will make all the videos. We're gonna apply for his universal credit. So we are struggling to make his account, but we got it. So to make a bank account is very simple. So without ID, photo ID, you cannot do it. So provision license takes time as well. So but if you just write in Google, I'm going to show you, but we're going to do for universal credit. Just quickly I want to show how you can do for the bank account as well. So write apply bank account, just if you say for refugee. So the option will comes up here, revolt. So open a basic account. So just do this one. You can try to do in the mobile, then they will say to you to download the app as well. So it's very simple. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to share your share code from the home office, and they will open your account within 5 minutes. And if you want to order the card as well, you can. So it's very simple. So in this way you can apply for universal credit. So at the moment we're going to do universal credit. So because he's looking for a job as well, so the government is giving you the opportunity. If you don't have a job, you can still apply for the universal credit, which is okay. You can apply if you don't have a job, because it's difficult to survive without jobs and the money in the UK. So just write apply for universal credit. Just write in Google. So create a universal credit account. So first you have to make your account. So they are saying is unavailable 26th of January, but so the created account. So it's very simple. You're going to put your details. So are you making this claim for yourself? Click yes, continue. If you already get another other benefits, you just give the answer. It's very simple. So you're going to put your username, password, the security question. Make sure you remember this security question. If you forget your login details, then it will help you to log in. Sorry, I forget to ask to see how are you doing today.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good. So are you enjoying your life?
Yeah, I'm enjoying your
10 days so far. Passing is universal, asylum. So we are getting his document. So we just need a photo ID. Then we can do other things. We can then apply for the Uber delivery accounts. So yeah. Okay, so when you log in into your account, so it's going to be look like this. So they ask you the question, so just fill that questions. So we just filled it, and we could not make the video because that was personal details. Now they're asking for the bank details, money saving. So we're going to put the bank details over here. So we got the bank account. So it's difficult to bank the account without the photo ID, but if you do for the revolt, from the revolt, they will give it to you. So I'm going to put it. I'm going to pause the video again. So we put the bank details. So they're asking for the money saving and investment. So we don't have any money at the moment. So we're putting 0 and press continue. So do you have any other accounts? We don't have at the moment. So press continue. Your ICAS. This is about the money saving. Do you have any ICS? We don't have at the moment. Your saving accounts. Do you have any saving accounts? No. So press continue. Your properties or investment. Do you have any other of these? Property, land, premium bonds. We don't have at the moment any. So continue. Things you need to tell us about. Do you have any of these? Yeah, read it. This is going to be your personal information. Just read it. So they give you the option to check your answer as well. So press done. The next, they're asking for the income other than earning. Do you get any of these payments or benefits? So they're saying this one no at the moment. Do you get no income other than benefits of wages? I think we're not getting anything at the moment. Income from pensions, no. Yeah, so educations and training. Are you education or training? Not at the moment. Details of the local authority care. How you live in no. Health. Um, to receive the right support, we need to know if you have yeah. So they're asking about the health, illness. Not at the moment. Uh, caring for someone. Yeah, just give the answer. The brand new school. They're asking for the details now to confirm. So the next question they're asking your responsibilities. Yeah, just read it. It's very simple, not that hard. So declaration they're asking for just and submit claim. So when you submit your claim, now they're asking for the identity, which we're having a problem. So because he did not get his provision lessons, it's been 10 days we applied. So you must confirm by Friday 20th February, but I think we're gonna get this before that. So hope so. So the confirm they're asking for the UK passport, your driving license, self-assessment, credit reference, or records. So we don't have these ones. Let's see if we select these ones. So what they're gonna say? So they're gonna say we're gonna call you. So they will call him. They ask these things. Let's say. So if you have identity, you can select that one. I think it's gonna be easy then. Otherwise, they're gonna call you. Okay, so we done this so far. So after a couple of days, when we applied, so he received the invitation to get the to attend the appointment. So he went to the appointment. He just gave the share codes and other documents, proof of address. Did you ask proof of address? Yeah, proof of address and they're asking for the GP letter, something like that. So when we logged in here, it's saying upload proof to support your university credit claim. So let's see is going to be there. And they ask for account details as well. Upload proof to support before you start. Um, yes. So let's see what is going to ask. Upload files. Yeah. So this is UKVI number. This should be begin with the KX. This when you claim when you get your decision from the home office that your asylum is clear. So you should have a UKVI number. Okay, so about the university credit, so this look like this. So he attended his two appointment. So the first appointment to see if he's going to tell us. So when we applied after I think the same day he got the message that you need to attend the appointment, phone appointment. But after that he received the message then he's going to be in Croydon because his address in Croydon. I think it was about after how many days it was?
Friday, last Friday, I attend UC appointment, first appointment.
It was after 3 4 days. So first appointment, the chief is going to tell us what they ask in the first appointment.
About my Revolut account, I
Bank account.
yeah,
Actually,
bank,
they ask bank account.
yeah, yeah, and I share. They ask about GP, and they also ask about my share code. I shared my share code, and they see all the things, all my profile.
Make sure you print this out if you have the letter of the GP and the share code as well because they are giving another appointment. They say bring in printout form. So then he got the another appointment because that was initial appointment with someone else. But they then after next week he got another appointment with his the person called. It's called his work coach. Means they help you to find the work. So he's asked about his bank account if you want any advance. So he got some advance as well. I'm going to show here. So if you need some money, you can ask for the advance, because maybe you're jobless and homeless as well. So, but you can apply online everything here in here if you want to need advance. And they tell him that you need to apply for the job, look for the job, and they ask for which job do you like. Yeah, these kind of stuff they ask. And he got another appointment after a week as well. So they were giving you the appointment week after week to find the job. They help you to find the job, and they ask you to do these things over here. Let's say to list in general, and to do list. I mean, they're saying upload CV, attend your appointment, next appointment, read about reduce payment sections. Tell yeah, just log in and read about everything. So this was how to apply for university credit. So I think you get your first payment after around a month. But you can see over here when you're gonna get your first payment here as well. You can see that here is saying on the 22nd of February, we will let you know how much you're gonna get it, and you will get on the 26th of February. So we applied around 20th of January, roughly around that time, and they're gonna give us 26th of February, around roughly after a month. So that's it. I wish you good luck for your universal credit. But first, I hope so. You're not gonna apply for that. You're gonna get the very good job which you desired. If you still need it, you can apply like this. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and I wish you good
Feedbacks.
luck for the Tusif to find his desired jobs. You wanna say something?
No, thank you for
Okay,
helping me out.
thank you. No problem.